AK sir, your English language tutor. Hello guys, today we are going to learn English grammar tenses in just 2 minutes. But before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Tenses. Present simple. I start. Present continuous. I am starting. Present perfect. I have started. Present perfect continuous. I have been starting. Past simple. I started. Past continuous. I was starting. Past perfect. I had started. Past perfect continuous. I had been starting. Future simple. I will start. Future continuous. I will be starting. Future perfect. I will have started. Future perfect continuous. I will have been starting.